I toss this powder into the toilet and leave it overnight. In the morning, it's like new, without scrubbing. This trick is perfect for people with busy lives. When limescale, dirt, or an unpleasant smell starts to appear in the toilet, you can get rid of it without wasting time cleaning. It turns out that all you need is a handful of laundry detergent thrown directly into the toilet bowl. Leave it overnight. In the morning, just give the inside a quick swipe with a toilet brush and flush. Laundry detergent softens water, cleans, and disinfects. This simple trick leaves your toilet sparkling white without you even lifting a finger. Throw some ice cubes into the toilet. This clever trick solves an annoying problem that hardly anyone talks about. Next, pour in your favorite cleaning liquid. Just use whatever you have at home. Then grab some fabric softener. Its anti-static properties help prevent dirt and residue from sticking to the ceramic surface. Plus, it leaves a fresh, long-lasting scent. Add a capful to the toilet. Now it's time for shaving foam. The order of these steps really matters. The foam breaks down grime and acts like an active cleaner. Next, toss in some laundry scent beads. They release a strong fragrance over time and even create a protective layer inside the toilet. Add a bit of dish soap, too. Its degreasing power cuts through dirt and makes the ceramic shine. Let everything sit in the toilet for an hour so the ingredients can work their magic. Then scrub the bowl thoroughly with a toilet brush. Flush and give it another quick scrub. The ice helps loosen deposits and makes the other ingredients work better. This wild combination acts like professional-grade cleaner. Your toilet will be not only clean, but also fresh-smelling, shiny, and looking better than ever. Apply shaving foam to the broom. Although it may seem strange, this trick is currently trending on the internet. It turns out that shaving foam has a brilliant application in the bathroom. Grab a regular broom, which you probably already have at home. Apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. A broom prepared in this way will be a lifesaver for older individuals or those with spinal problems. Just flip it and spread the foam on the floor around the toilet. This is undoubtedly one of the poorest parts of the bathroom and often difficult to reach. This foam is like soapy foam with a higher content of potassium hydroxide, so it works excellently. Apply it generously, and the broom's bristles will distribute it even into the smallest crevices. Next, cover the toilet seat, bowl, and sides with foam. It will effectively deal with yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After this time, rinse off the foam with warm water. Immediately, you'll see that the tiles and toilet shine. A pleasant fragrance will linger in the bathroom, lasting even for a few days after cleaning. The foam also cleans the grout without unnecessary scrubbing. Mix and place it in an empty toilet hanger. A homemade cube will work in any toilet. Is your toilet hanger empty? Don't have a new one? You don't have to rush to the store right away. You can prepare your own insert for such a hanger. Pour about 3/4 of a cup of water into a pan or pot. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch. Mix it in cold water to dissolve. Now start heating the container. Stir and bring the mixture to a boil. It should be quite thick. To the resulting mixture, add a packet of citric acid. Mix the citric acid with the mixture until it completely dissolves. Add a generous amount of detergent. It can be dishwashing liquid or laundry detergent. Finally, you can add essential oil, for example, tea tree oil. Mix everything well. Transfer to a smaller container. Cover the area with foil for hygiene. Prepare an empty toilet hanger. Take a disposable spoon. Use it to apply the mixture to the hanger. And it's ready. Hang the hanger in the toilet and flush the waiter. The detergent and citric acid will gently clean its interior. The toilet will be cleaner and fresher. Pour a tablespoon of salt into the toilet. The result is amazing. It's a simple and cheap way to make a bathroom cleaner. Prepare a cup or jug. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, then 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Next, take a lemon and poke a hole in the middle with a toothpick to squeeze the juice directly into the jug with the mixture. This combination is incredibly versatile, especially for bathroom cleaning. Add less than a glass of water and mix everything well. Using a funnel, pour the solution into a spray bottle. This homemade cleaner is a perfect alternative to chemical products. Spray it on the toilet, especially where limescale builds up. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a toilet brush or sponge as usual. You'll notice stains come off easily, leaving the toilet bowl clean and stain-free. Apply this to your brush. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive method. It turns out that this foam has a brilliant use in the toilet. Take an ordinary brush that you probably already have at home, remove it from the container, and then squeeze the foam into the container generously. Place the brush back into the container so that the foam covers its entire surface. This prepared brush is a lifesaver. The foam acts like lathered soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it excellent for cleaning. Use this brush to scrub the toilet bowl as you usually do. It works great on yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave everything for 15 minutes. After that, flush the toilet. You'll immediately see how it shines. The bathroom will have a pleasant fragrance that lasts for several days after cleaning. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. Laundry detergent in the toilet. This is a game changer. Have you ever had guests over and realized while cleaning that you're out of toilet cleaner? The stores are closed and you're out of your usual cleaner? Don't worry, we have a brilliant trick for you. I never thought of using laundry detergent this way until I stumbled upon this tip. Many times I struggled with cleaning without knowing about this trick. Thanks to the surfactants in the detergent, it effectively removes dirt and grime. Additionally, the water softeners in the detergent help remove limescale. All you need to do is sprinkle some laundry detergent around the toilet bowl. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to allow the detergent to work its magic. Then grab a toilet brush and thoroughly scrub the bowl. This method will clean the toilet completely. Finally, flush the toilet. Your toilet will be sparkling clean. I no longer use special toilet cleaners. I'm sure that once you try this trick, you won't go back to using them either.